Hi folks, we're going to do a casting video where you usually see 4 hours, let's say 20 minutes. Usually see 20 minutes of people doing this. Usually see 20 minutes of this. Then you watch 20 minutes of this. We're almost ready to pour. Last time I did it, my camera went dark. But it's definitely better than the last time, isn't it? Moment of truth. I personally think it cocked up because I hesitated. What we're going to do is put it over the sand bin. I can't see a thing. Right, give it a minute. Crap in there, but all the sand goes in the because it is reusable. So well, if you could see what I could see, do you want to see what I could see? Plus, you've got to remember that it's still hot, and if it gets a chance of biting you, it will. Go in there, Ross. That's goodbye. We're stopping that now. Okay. Get rid of that. Oops, it's fast. I was just going to show you when it fell in there. Oh dear. What was that? There was a slight bit of oil in there. Separate that hot sand. Well, don't know what to tell you. Let me see if I can carry that over to the sink. Which way? Okay. Now we'll start filming because we don't want it looking like that. I'll hold the camera like that. There it is, folks. That's the Welsh dragon. I wanted to put two dicks on there in line, so I had something to clamp to in the vice. But we'll cut this, whatever they call that, off, and we'll start work. Well, there's my leftovers. Still hot, actually. So it's a bit more to do a new project. I might not be the most beautifulest, but I'm definitely the most noisiest. Anyway, thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up for something to do. You want to see it? There you go. There's that. Not bad, huh? Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next project. What? What? Oh, I showed you the back, not the front. Okay. There. Oh, the flashies. Mistakes, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. Right, talking about mistakes. When you pour, make sure that pour thing is hiding up there, lots, yeah? Make sure it's dead in the middle, because that would have fitted straight in the lathe, or wherever you want to stick it in. At least you've got a central point you can then machine. And then that way you can send this thing spinning 1,000 miles an hour and have this job done a lot faster than it just took me, because it took me quite a while, I can assure you. And I still got some scratches in it, so I will continue, but we gotta carry on regardless, and give him, not me, give him a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Yes, you're right, I have been in an asylum, but they let me out, so I'm alright now. Okay?
Thank you.